We are on the Brother SC 1900 today because we got another order. Normally we get digitizing orders and just send the files to those of you who have embroidery machines already, but I do also give you the option for me to make a sample patch for you and send it to you in the mail. So that's what we got today. We have our material that we're going to be stitching on. We're going to be using 4 colors from our thread that we got from our partner. Link is going to be in the description for this. This is the Exquisite thread from Dime, and just went ahead and digitized this, and it's going to look nice again with the 4 colors that we have here. Everything should work out great. And I'm also going to use the black color that I have in here just for a placement. I've already done a trace out. My bad to you that you guys can't really see me, but I just wanted to get this in frame more than me in frame. But yeah, just tracing out a circle. Then once we have that, we'll go ahead and place our pre-cut fabric here that we're going to be using today. Slide this underneath to cover exactly where we just put this at. Alright, and we'll just go ahead and lock it in place. We'll hold it for the first couple of stitches, make sure it doesn't move. There we go, it's locked in. And normally what I would do is get my applique scissors and cut around the outside of the circle. I'm not gonna cut it right now because it actually is gonna like probably bend the rest of the design out of place. So we'll go ahead and cut it off at the end. Shout out to everybody who watches my videos, everybody and anybody. If you guys feel like leaving a comment for me or you know, gaming me up, because I know you guys come to me to learn from me, but sometimes I can learn from you guys too. So if you guys feel like there's anything that you know that maybe I don't know, or you don't see me doing my videos, or you would like for me to do in my videos, drop a comment below and let me know, guys, because I know a whole lot about embroidery, but I don't know everything and don't claim to know everything about embroidery. So help me out so I could help the rest of the people watching these videos. Don't just watch now. Show love, hit the thumbs up button. Alright, so we're going to do the green color. Lock that into place, and I want you guys to see it more up close than what I got right now. So let's take the camera off the tripod and zoom in. Alright, the lime color is done, so we'll go ahead and remove that for now. I do believe I have to pop it back in again in a moment, but for now we're done. The machine is currently asking for the yellow. Something that nobody has asked me in a while, but surprisingly people have still asked me for years, even after I've explained it. But again, I guess it makes sense because there's always new people starting their embroidery journeys every single day, right? So for those who always question and ask, what if my design has multiple colors and I only have a single needle machine? What do I do? Guys, the machine, well, I guess depending on if it was digitized correctly, the machine will stop and it will allow you to change the color up here at the top, just like I just did. And you change the color and then you press the button to continue. So doesn't matter if your design has 10 colors, 20 colors, whatever, it is going to be harder if it's a single needle machine. But the machine should always stop and tell you what color is next, and you go ahead and make the adjustment and then press continue and it'll go ahead and do that color. It's asking now for, yeah, the color we put in. It's going to do the whole background in gold/yellow. Segment, kind of 7-minute segment, and we don't want to make the video 7 minutes long for it to just do a circle, but I will let you guys see the underlay and the pre-work that goes into it. Just putting those base layer stitches going in one direction, and then once it lays everything in one direction like that, it's going to go across the opposite way to cover those stitches up. Alright, so the design is all done being stitched out. Now we're going to go ahead and cut it out and package it up. Let's remove it from the hoop. And we'll do as I said, turn it from a square back into a circle. That was the whole point of our placement and tack down stitch, so I can see the outline of where I need to cut. The patch is all cut out. Now we're just going to go ahead and burn the edges and a little bit of the back to secure the threads in, and we'll be all done. There it is. Or that. Do I see any threads on the back? Just a little bit of them. Let's burn them up. There we go. We went from this mock-up right here that I showed the customer. They approved it and we went ahead and stitched it out. I think they resemble each other pretty good. So with that being said, we're all done. I'm gonna go ahead and mail this out and I'll catch you guys in a future video.